Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a new and updated toilet paper slime recipe. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Let's get right into this video. So many of you guys have been saying how much you love my no glue toilet paper slime recipe, but you would like an updated, more easier recipe that requires no refrigerator and you can make it super easy. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys that recipe, and it's super simple to make, and I'm so excited for you guys to try it out right now. So let's get into the recipe. The ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of shampoo or body wash, toilet paper, you will need shaving cream, a blower plate to make your slime in, last but not least is a mixing tool. So just like I said, this recipe is updated and brand new. It's something different that I thought I would try out for you guys, and guess what? You need no refrigerator. So let's get first I'm gonna get out my blower plate. I'm gonna get adding in my shampoo. So you actually don't want a lot for this because in this recipe you're gonna be making a dough-like slime recipe. So you're going to want to add a little bit of soap to your bowl first and get mixing it up till it's super bubbly. Okay, after you mix it just for a little bit, what you're going to get doing is you're going to get adding in a little bit of your shaving cream. I'm just using this one. I've always used this one for so many years to make no glue fluffy slime, and it works the best. So you're going to start by adding the shaving cream into here a little bit, and this is going to make it more of a thicker, more so like slime texture almost. As you can see, like as I'm adding it, it's getting a lot thicker. Okay, that looks good. Now what I'm gonna get doing is I'm gonna get adding in my toilet paper now. This is how we're gonna make the actual slime. You're gonna wanna shred up the toilet paper and add it into the soap mixture you've been making. I might need a bigger bowl for this, so I'll probably grab one right. So you're gonna wanna get out your mixture you just made, just like that. All right, and now you're gonna wanna get shredding up that toilet paper into here. You wanna shred it all up, add it into your soap, and mix it, mix it, mix it. You wanna mix it up until you get like a dough-like texture, just like the one you've seen in the beginning of the video. You have the Halloween theme going on. But like I said, you're gonna wanna mix it up, mix in that toilet. As you can see, you just want to keep mixing it up. It does get messy, as you can tell, but I'm kneading it, and I'm going to get adding in even more toilet paper. Like, I'm going to add a whole lot of toilet paper in there and knead it up. Okay, about probably like 20 minutes later of me kneading it, here's how it turned out. It did get a little bit messy. Like, I don't know how somehow I got dog hair in it. I don't know how that happened, but we're going to try to get it out. But this is how you make no glue toilet paper slime. It turned out so good, super great. You don't need a refrigerator, and you make this super awesome clay, almost like kind of like a cloud slime almost, but it's toilet paper slime. This recipe is so good. I really hope you guys like it and you try it out now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. My TikTok, my Instagram, even all the places I play games on will be linked down below. And yeah, remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Bye guys, love you so much in peace. And remember, thumbs up for more no glue slime recipes. Bye!